OMG, the lights are green for once. Here I am at Fort Monroe, gonna do some more photography with my phone and make a YouTube video. Now here I am pulling up at the parade ground barracks area, and this nice big old tree, and I'm going to take some photographs. So here I am preparing to take some photographs. I'm going to video myself taking pictures. It's on what they call parade ground. I imagine back in the day when this was an active base, this is where the soldiers did their marching and parading. So there was the result of the first photograph. I don't think it looks too bad. And here I am getting down on one knee to take another photograph. Next time I do this, I definitely will take my helmet off first, because I can't see diddly squat with my helmet on. But anyway, you know how long it takes to take a helmet and put it back on again. I only intended to stop for a couple of minutes. And here's another photograph with a different background, and this is from the other direction with the barracks and the tree in the background. See, there's that picture. There's people wandering around here. I wonder what they're thinking I'm doing, or why I'm doing it. I sometimes wonder why I'm doing these things as well, but it's all good fun, and I do enjoy making YouTube videos. I make YouTube videos for myself, really, as a kind of a video diary for myself, and then I upload them to YouTube for my own gratification, not for anybody else's. So if you don't like my videos or my YouTube channel, I don't really give a flying fuck. This is on the way to Firehouse coffee for my breakfast. Not 100% sure what I'm going to have for breakfast, but I do know it will be a cup of their delicious coffee, because they make, I think, probably the best coffee in the local area. I don't know if you saw that, those people just walked into where the jail used to be. I assume that they're going to be walking on the road, so I'm going to have to be very careful when I go through the fortification here. They should be on my right just as I exit. Yeah, so nice and slow up. There they are. Don't want to scare anybody. Crossing over the moat, heading off to Firehouse Coffee for my breakfast. I'll take some photographs of that as well. So here's my breakfast. It was a cup of cappuccino and a tuna salad sandwich with some other thing that I can never remember the name of. Oh, and these are the photographs I took at the beach on the way home. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you don't, I really don't care.